Hi there, students. To prioritize. Prioritization. So to prioritize, spelt with either an S in English or a Z in American, is to put things in order of importance. To prioritize, to do the most important things first, to deal with things in order of importance, to prioritize something, to treat something with great importance, that it has more importance than anyone else. So the government needs to introduce policies that prioritize the creation of jobs. So in our lives, we need to prioritize, because we don't get enough time to do everything we want to do or everything we need to do. Therefore, we need to do the most important things first. Yeah, we need to do things in order of priority, the things that are most important first and the things that are least important last. Like that, when you run out of time and you've still got things to do, at least you've done all of the most important things. So to prioritize, to decide which of a group of things are most important so that you can deal with them first. Yeah, you're arranging them in order of importance. Prioritization. Yeah, prioritization. It means that you have to stop and think about what your objectives are, what you really want. Now, prioritization, this is linked to this word priority. Priority is the order of importance of something. If something has priority, it has a right to go first. Normally they say when the Titanic is sinking, women and children first, they have priority. Something that deserves prior attention, it needs to be dealt with first. So the welfare of the children is my first priority. Yeah, to prioritize, to give something precedence, to give something antecedent so that it goes first. Yeah, something that is of higher status. So to prioritize, you need to prioritize the important things. I think very often nowadays the idea of prioritize is linked with bureaucratic jargon, and some people don't really like it. But prioritization is a very important thing. You need to decide what to do first. If you've got time to do everything, then prioritization is not a problem. It's not something that you need to do, but life is never like that, and we don't get time to do everything we need to do. Therefore, we need to prioritize. You list things, projects, goals, objectives in order of priority, which one goes first. You rate things according to how important they are. It can be very difficult to prioritize work and your free time, or work and your family. I think you should prioritize your family, but sometimes work needs to come first because you need enough money to live as well. If you want to do your job efficiently, you need to learn to prioritize. When the amount of money available for projects is limited, then you need to prioritize. So do we want to prioritize quality or price? Yeah, because if the price is cheap, lots of people buy it. If the quality is good, the cost is higher and it may be more difficult to sell. Okay, so to prioritize something, to give it precedence. You treat one thing as more important than others. The government is prioritizing healthcare at the moment. You prioritize the tasks that you have to do first. You decide which is the most important and you do it first. You give them priority. So prioritize in S, with an S in British English, with a Z in American English. And this word comes directly from the word priority, which actually comes from the word prior, from Old Latin pre, before, Proto-Indo-European per, beyond, pro, before. So former, it's something that has to be done before. And prioritize, formality. It's a really rather business word. I'm going to give it 6 in formality. 6.5, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Prioritize.